What's up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the running lady filter on TikTok. So this filter has been going viral on TikTok recently. So how you get it is if you're on the TikTok camera and you go to the TikTok camera, if I go back by tapping the plus icon in the middle at the bottom of the screen. Once you're on the TikTok camera, you can go ahead and tap on effects there at the bottom left hand corner, and you can see underneath the trending filters, the first filter there in the first row is the running lady filter. So if I tap on that, you can see this is what the filter looks like. It is a running lady running down the stairs, running through this temple or whatever it is. And then you would just simply have to go ahead and press the record button to go ahead and record your video. But if you're not finding the filter from within this effects tab, what you can do is you can go back, tap on the discover tab next to the home button, and then in the search bar you can just type Versailles run. I'm not too sure how to pronounce that, but you type this in here in the search bar, and there you can see the effect button pops up. You can go ahead and tap on that. From here you can go ahead and add it to your favorites. You can browse all the videos using the filter, or you can go ahead and press the record button at the bottom to go ahead and record your video with the filter. And then once you click on the record button, the filter will be applied. You can press and hold the record button. Once you're done recording, tap the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner, add your sounds, add your effects, add your text, anything like that. Tap on next when you're done, add your description, add your hashtags, set all your settings, and then you can go ahead and post that. And you obviously want to make sure that publicity is on everyone so people can actually see it, and then you can go ahead and post that. So that is how you get the running lady filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more TikTok filters. Take care.